Welcome back, my beautiful subscribers. It's your one and only source needed to help teach you all the top tips and secrets on how to be a high-valued feminine woman. So just kick back, relax, and let's walk together in discovering the power of being a lady. And remember, you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female. There have been times where I have felt completely stuck. I am standing still and my life is just happening around me, like there's no direction for me to go. Have you ever felt that way? Or do you feel that way now? If so, it means you need to shift your energy, and I've got you covered. They call it reinventing yourself. But I say, call it what you want, just never give up on yourself. So get ready, take notes, and let's discover the power of self-reinvention. We'll start with tip number 1, know your values. Finding out what matters to you most is the first step in recreating yourself. Write down your key beliefs, what brings you joy, and the kind of life you want to lead. Making choices that support your aims and aspirations is simpler once you have a firm grasp of your beliefs. Tip number 2, remove negative influences. Now, to stick to your values, you have to move on from the things and people that bring you down. Be in the company of upbeat, encouraging, and supportive people. You don't want anything negative to stop you from discovering who you are and what you're trying to achieve, I assure you. Tip 3, delete the past. Holding on to the past is one of the biggest barriers to recreating yourself. It's time to let go of any negative ideas, memories, or connections that are restricting your growth. Accept the here and now and concentrate on building a brighter future for yourself. Tip 4, define your passion. It's time to identify the things that make you happy and motivate you. What inspires you? What do you feel strongly about? Finding your passion will help you have a fulfilling life and provide you with the drive to make change for the better. Tip 5, set realistic goals. You got your passion in your hand. Now it's time to set goals. Setting realistic and attainable goals is essential for your journey of reinvention. Don't be scared to dream big and break down your long-term goals into more practical short-term objectives. As long as you believe in yourself, maintain your beliefs, and work towards your goals every day, anything is possible. Tip 6, embrace change. Change can be frightening, but it also can be quite thrilling. Don't be afraid to experiment and leave your comfort zone. You never know what you might learn about yourself or which doors you'll walk through. Tip 7, take action. It's time to move forward on your goals. You have a clear direction and a positive mindset. Now go do something towards your goals every day, even if it's small. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how tiny, and challenge that motivating energy to push you forward. Tip 8, be kind to yourself. Being yourself can be an up and down journey, so it's crucial to be patient and kind to yourself and know your beliefs. If something doesn't go as planned, don't be hard on yourself. Progress, not perfection, always. You can do this. Tip 9, take care of yourself. Self-care is another critical element when reinventing oneself. Make time for yourself to get in tune with who you are, engage in enjoyable activities, and place a high priority on your personal health. Keep in mind that taking care of yourself gives you more energy and motivation to accomplish your objectives. Tip 10, explore new things. A fantastic way to challenge yourself and find new interests and passions is to step outside of your comfort zone and attempt new things. Accept new experiences and enjoy them, whether you're taking a culinary class or taking up any new activity. Tip 11, do not fear failure. Don't be scared to try new things, fail, or take chances. Accept the difficulties, gain wisdom from them, and keep going. Tip 12, invest in your personal growth. A successful reinvention depends on making an investment in your personal development. To help you reach your maximum potential, read books, meditate, self-reflect, or get a coach, mentor. Tip 13, be confident in your own skin. Confidence is the biggest secret. Love yourself, accept your imperfections, and appreciate your individuality. Keep in mind that you deserve success and happiness because you are adequate. And finally, tip 14, celebrate your success. Remember to recognize and appreciate your accomplishments, no matter how minor they may seem. Spend some time congratulating yourself on your accomplishments and acknowledging your growth. This will support your motivation and enable you to keep moving forward towards your goals. Well, there you have it, tips and secrets for reinventing yourself and living your best fulfilled life. Remember, you are in control of your own happiness and it's never too late to make a change. So go out there and own it. P.S. If you need a jumpstart to shift the reinventing stage, a top tier secret I use that helps me shift energy instantly in the moment is to take a cold shower or dive into a cold body of water. It'll be as if you were shocking yourself to wake up and get to work, especially when you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female.